everybody, it's Monty, it's Shadle Park, and it's geometry. And we're wrapping up conference week. Did you have a conference with your advisor this week? Okay, now, the first thing we need to do is we need to congratulate the entire football program. Coach Mace, all the freshman football players, the varsity football players, for a great year as they head off to the playoffs. Make sure you stop by and get yourself a playoff football Shadle Park sticker. Now, before we get started with next week's activities, we got to do our shout outs. And this week, we only met 3 days, so there's not as many shout outs this week. In Mathia, period 3, Logan Anderson, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, Tristan Larson, Sean McConkey, Damian Wickman, and in period 4, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Mercedes Nichols, Kiera Perkins, and Molly Pickard. In period 5, Desiree Ballou, Ellie Petty, Rashawn Sarvis, Matthew Shuck, Cassidy Sullivan, and Tyler Wyant. Now, people that did extra workspaces this week, and we had 4 of them. Anthony Gomez, Sean McConkey, Evan Cavell, and Gabe Claypool all went over and above this week with their workspaces. And again, because it was a short week, we're going to go to our November birthdays. And on November 4th, Sean McConkey McCoy, happy birthday. November 9th, Genesis Camaro. November 13th, Tommy Krotzer. November 20th, Rashawn Sarvis. And November 25th, Isaac Treat. Happy birthday to those November students. Okay, so football we talked about, shout outs we talked about. This week, we were working on our transformations of shapes, okay? And with transformations of shapes, we can translate, left, right, up, down. We can rotate. The thing about rotation is, where is the point of rotation? Trying to locate it. And then we had reflect. Do we protect the integrity of the shape as we reflect? Which introduced the idea of symmetry. What does it mean to have symmetry? Okay, it's symmetrical about the middle, symmetrical about the middle. But what if we look at the diagonals? Is it still symmetrical? So we talked about that this week. And next week, we want to work on our circles again. And how do we create shapes by using circles? What does that mean? If we draw a set of circles, can we create a shape like a rectangle? Sure. A square? Sure. And we're going to practice that. Then we'll finish the week by trying to inscribe certain shapes inside of a circle, like a square, by using our geometry tools, the compass, the protractor, and the ruler. One of the famous ones is a hexagon. And the hexagon inside a circle can be created by the idea of 2 pi r, the circumference. All we do is measure the r and draw little arcs all the way around. And lo and behold, there's 6 of them. So until next week, we'll see you on Monday in the classroom. What's that? That's right. Next week is only a 4-day school week. 4 days. Because on Thursday, we celebrate Veterans Day. So you get a day off from school. I get a day off from school. So only 4 days next week. And we'll see you then on Monday in the classroom.